Namaste. Greetings from the Department of Sports Science and Yoga, Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institute at Belur Math. Now we shall demonstrate Sarvanga In Sanskrit, the meaning of Sarvanga Sarvanga means the entire body and asana means posture. So, the practice of this asana plays a pivotal role in overall functions of the body. It is also known as mother of all asanas for its benefit and significance. Let us begin by knowing the steps to practice Sarvangasana. Raise your arms up to shoulder level, bend the knees and sit down on the ground. Slowly lie down on your back. Place your hands beside close to the body. Exhale, bend the knees and then lift the hips up towards the sky. Inhale and then straighten the legs with your feet pointing towards the sky. Place the elbow close to each other. This will help the back to increase the overall stability of the pose. If you not able to do so, then place your elbows as close together as possible. Hold the final position as comfortably and as stably as possible. With an exhale, bend the knees towards the chest. Inhale, then with the help of the hand, lower the hip to the ground. As you lower the hips on the ground, slowly unbend the knees as this will remove unwanted jerks from the practice of this asana. Relax and then take deep breaths. The practice of Sarvangasana may improve circulation, stimulates the thyroid and parathyroid glands, and may cure varicose vein. People suffering from abnormal blood pressure, glaucoma, chronic thyroid disorder, neck and shoulder injury must consult an appropriate individual before practicing this asana.